Hey everyone, we are on day 7 of our 2 weeks of techniques. Today is a reverse swipe and we are using pouring white instead of the base coat and our handy dandy little scraper, which I will keep here so the camera stays in focus. So I'm going to grab a 7-ounce cup. I'm always so undecided on what size cup I want. And I will spray that with the WD-40 silicone spray, just so all the paint comes out. And I already have my colors lined up in the order that I want them. So we'll start with the Liquitex Light Blue Violet. Grumbacher Prussian Blue mixed with Artist Loft Iridescent Medium. Artist Loft Cerulean Blue. I'm going to use this up. Soho Dioxazine Violet. This is a very pretty dark purple. Craft Smart Purple Pearl. And Liquitex Deep Violet. And I'm going to take that Prussian blue and squirt it down the middle, because I love the iridescence. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it on my canvas. And we'll take the pouring medium, or I'm sorry, the pouring white, and put that around it. Alright, so all my color is down. I'm going to lift my cup and I'll start scraping the white over. So you kind of want to get under and pull it over. And you can turn your canvas instead of trying to struggle with the back side. Alright. So you'll see a lot of little cells poking through when I torch it. Because all that color is under there. And when I stretch it, it'll come up easier. I'm already loving that cerulean blue in there, so I want to keep that part. So I'm going to go ahead and start tilting. Always bring it back to the middle though. As I said in previous videos, you want that paint to flow together. That was a good amount of paint. It was perfect. Let me bring this back down. I see color under here, so we should be okay when I torch. So what we'll do now is torch it and then we'll let it sit and see what else develops. But I'm already loving the colors. Let me move it back just a little bit out of your glare there. And you don't have to torch the whole thing. You can just torch spots where you want the cells. I love cells. If I didn't want them, I wouldn't put silicone in my paint. But I go ahead and torch the whole thing, because they're all going to be different sizes, so it's not really going to matter. Alright, let's let this sit for 10 minutes and see what happens. I'd like to see these cells get a little bigger. I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. We got a lot of new cells. Lots and lots of babies. But some of them little tiny ones have already grown, and they will continue to grow. And I have some beautiful runoff for skins, so they will be gorgeous. So that is our reverse swipe. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell so you'll get notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook at the Parage Posse. And also check out my Christina Welch Art page. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And if you're interested in purchasing paintings, check out our Etsy shop. If you want to sponsor the channel, that link is below for our PayPal. And we do our quarterly giveaways. The next one is July 1st. We have the Stone Coat Art Coat resin code below. If you want to try resin, it's $10 off a $95 order. And it's probably one of the best resins out there. I've used quite a few different ones, and I really love it. And our post office box is down below if you want to send us a gadget to our fan mail. I'm sure Ellen or myself will enjoy trying it out. And Redbubble for your prints. And of course the paint mixing videos are down below. So thanks so much for watching. This was day 7 of our 2 weeks of techniques. Stay tuned for day 8. Bye now.